I'm trying to get I got a flat tire. Is there anybody on staff that can help me with that, or should I just call AAA?
Oh, my phone. Oh.
I got a flat tire on the new ones. I don't know, but I gotta put my spare on it. And I was wondering, is there anyone on staff that can help me, or should I just call AAA?
Mike get Mike one of those. You don't want to use one of them?
I don't have any money.
Oh, or maybe Camilo if you got time.
Who's he?
That's Camilo right there. We got a whole lot of cleaning up we got to do right now.
Well, that's what I was thinking. I should just call AAA, right? And get them to come and do it.
Well, that's the thing. We can't allow AAA to come up in here. But for something like that, yeah, we could do that.
Oh, I'll wait till everybody's here and come up and talk about it.
Okay.
Because I know.
Ain't nobody gonna be here but me.
All day?
Yeah. Unless what's called Vince comes. It's very simple. Matter of fact, he might show because we got auditors coming up.
Yeah, I knew about that. That's next week, though, right?
No, it's tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
So y'all do have a lot of work.
Yeah, today and tomorrow we're gonna be extremely busy. We gotta tell everybody to put the generators up and all this other stuff. We gotta clean the place up. You see how I left it there last night?
And I got a flat tire now. It just looks terrible.
Wow.
Yeah, right. It just looks awful. But I'm gonna get I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't.
Well, we'll see if we can get situated this morning. Then if we have time, we'll try to come over and help you with it.
Well, I can call AAA.
But that's the thing. We can't let nobody in here like that,
okay.
Especially right now because it's so busy.
Okay.
You know, but like I said, we're gonna try to get this out the way. Camilla want to help you do that.
Yeah. I got hospice doctor and nurse coming today at noon, so that's my stress more than the tire. Just looks terrible. I just want to go somewhere afterward just because I'm depressed.
Yeah, I heard that.
But that's just, I don't need anything.
That's right.
So if you could just put me on the list, Otis.
Without a doubt.
Yeah, because it's no rush. I don't have to go. I don't need anything. I don't have to go anywhere today, but that would be really helpful.
Okay, you got that coming.
Okay, yeah, because if I can't get AAA in, and my boy's not here, he's off on a job out of town, so I called him first.
We'll see.